Kainui Live.
Joined with me is the one, the only, did you like that? The one, the only Quinn Morgan, who is the winner of the Ahuwhenua Young Farmer of the Year. That's quite a mouthful there, brother.
Awesome.
Congratulations. Congratulations on that top achievement. I have read your little profile right here, but you know what? I'm just going to let you, you and myself have a cordial on how did this all happen?
Well, a bit of a blur, to be honest. I guess I'd start from 2019. So
let's go there.
2019. Living in Australia with my wife and my 3 children. We decided to get married, and so we come back and got married in Tuurangi. From there, after the wedding, we just decided, man, it's time for us to come home and back to Australia, and straight away got into planning. So the following year, I guess 2020 in January, me and my suitcase came back home, and I guess big pursuits of trying to set us up a life back here.
True. So there's no doubt that it's good to be home.
Aye, good as.
Yeah, better than Aussie. No, don't answer that. Anyway, so I see that you are a dairy farm assistant for Sam and Kate Moore. Whereabouts is this?
So I'm in Otakiri at the moment, just outside of Whakatane.
Nice. Yes.
So beauty weather over here. It's raining today, but normally she's nice and warm.
Yeah. I think we got the same weather here too, brother. So I see 570 cow farm. That's a lot. Yep. I come from a family, a farming family, but we only got like 100 plus cows. That does. So when I see 570, that must keep you busy a lot.
Yeah, it's good. The girls here are well mannered, so they make it easier on us, I suppose. But yeah, it is a large quantity of cows. I guess we just got to keep on top of, the big thing, animal husbandry, looking after our girls, our big girls, and making sure they're well fed.
Yeah. So I know what our farm, what Uncle's doing at our farm at the moment. What are you in the process of at your fella's farm at the moment? Is it like, are you dry or?
Yeah. So we're probably dry off tomorrow or the day after. I've been waiting for this day for all season.
That's what my uncle seems to. It's like holiday soon.
But yeah, it started to quiet down, and that's where the whānau time picks up more. So it's a good part of the season. You work so hard during milking, calving, mating, all those sorts of things. It's good to get a little breather and reset, I suppose.
Yeah, bit of a downtime. Yeah. And like you said, more whānau time.
Yeah, biggest thing.
Even though it's winter, but the positive is it'll be matariki, the modern New Year, so something to look forward to.
That's good though. It's always good.
Awesome. So just quickly tell us how the awards went that night, and no doubt you would have got a beautiful surprise.
Yeah, so we shot over to New Plymouth on Wednesday, myself, Anna and Ben, plus our support people. We stayed there for 3 days, which was a study tour. We got to go through the likes of Fonterra, the plant, out onto some farms over there, and also learned about budgeting and all those sorts of things as well. So it was big learning for us. I sort of got lost in the competition. I even forgot it was a competition. It's just learning too much and trying to write it all down. And so when the awards night come, it sort of hit me. My wife will probably second that, how stressed out I was before getting on the bus. So, but all in all, the experience was awesome. I can't thank the Ahuwhenua, team or Ropu enough for making us feel at home and teaching us all that mahi filling up our kite. So we're pretty lucky.
Yeah, that's what I want to hear, is that just as long as they're looking after you and guiding you and supporting you. That's what it's about. I suppose I better shout out to all the other finalists who were alongside you, and Maniapoto, Quinn Morgan, You took it out. Good on you.
Yeah.
And good on the cows. You girls. As well as I suppose I better say a big shout out to Sam and Kate Moore.
Yeah, awesome. They've helped us so much. Yeah, especially I guess a little story of how I got to stay back in Aotearoa's. I couldn't find a job for a while, so I had a flight booked back to Perth on a Monday. And Sam was happy to see me on a Friday, and in that interview offered me a job. So I'm lucky I got to stay here. But yeah, we're super lucky for all the support we've had so far. So we're just trying to give back as well.
As we do. So winner of the Ahuwhenua Young Māori Farmers for 2021. Big mihi to you there, brother. And just those of them that are listening, especially for our rangatahi, our young adults of your age. Not so much my age. I'm like anyway. Do you have any tips and guidance, Corded, or to those who are listening about being a part of the farming world?
Yeah, I'll definitely say got to do your I guess your research. Come onto the farm if you're in my area. I'll show you our farm. All good. Or get around people that willing to let you come in and sort of see what the day-to-day is like. Just the biggest thing was being a sponge, not being whakamata, reach out and say you don't know something, or seek those who do know, and you'll be surprised on how much people are willing to help you, including myself. If you want to call it or whatever, just reach out and we'll have a talk. But yeah, I guess that's the biggest thing, is just be a tutu, jump in, have a crack, and then you'll be all good.
Yeah. I know very well on how to be a tutu. Awesome, bro. Before we wrap this up, do you want to give any shout outs or mihi to anybody out there?
Yeah, for sure. Again, the rangatahi coming through, don't be shy, don't be whakamā. Reach out if you do need help, and also anyone looking for a change of career. Yeah, again, don't be shy, reach out. Just like to shout out to my wife. She's sitting right here, but I'll shout out for the amount of sacrifices that we went through. Being stuck in different countries for 6 months, and she sort of kept me going while I was back here by myself, trying to sort ourselves out. And also my employers and Ahuwhenua. Thank you guys so much for everything you've done. Also to you, brother, thanks for reaching out.
Yeah, me too. My pleasure. It's my pleasure, though. Okay, awesome. Well, ngā mihi nui ki a koe, bro. Quinn Morgan, Ahuwhenua Young Māori Farmer winner 2021. Okay, I better let you have your kai now, because you've got your kai right in front of you, looking at you.
All good, ngā mihi e hoa.
Ngā mihi nui ki a koe, anō hoki ki tō whānau.